Changing your payout method with Idaho Central Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Idaho Central Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information and payout preferences. Step 3. Select Payout Method. In the Account Settings, find the option for Payout Method or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method information, be sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method with Idaho Central Credit Union. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer service for assistance.